Hey guys, boom, Swiggy Instamart is orchestrating pretty good deals and offers. As you see here, you can get free silver coin, free chocolates, free Hong Kong trip, and lot more. Let's check out. Hello, namaste, how are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. Up kaise ho? Nalla irkeenga. First we'll check with 9 rupee deals. On Swiggy Instamart 9 rupee store, you can get this Kit Kat at 9 rupees, milk at 9 rupees. This 9 rupee deals would be unlocked on orders above 99 rupees, just 99 rupees. This Arogya milk at 9 rupees. It's good quality milk. You can check out. Next we have Jim Jam at 9 rupees with the free Hong Kong trip offer. As you see here, you can scan the QR code on the pack and enter your phone number and name. Give the machine code as shown here on the biscuit pack. Then start playing to top the leaderboard to win a free Hong Kong trip. So you have a free gift also available on orders above 99 rupees. So how is the Jim Jam biscuit? Let me know in the comment section. Next we have this silver coin offer for free. You can get a free silver coin on purchasing a gold coin. Okay, let me tell you again, you can get a free silver coin on purchase of gold coin on Swiggy Instamart on the day of Akshaya Tritiya between 9 to 12. But before that, first you have to lock gold coin price as shown on the video. You choose whatever gold coin you want and add to your cart. Pay the charges of 100 rupees as shown here to lock the price for which you are going to buy on the day of Akshaya Tritiya. And on the day of Akshaya Tritiya, the gold price may fluctuate going high or low because due to war and geopolitics right now. And Swiggy Instamart is giving an opportunity where you can see the Akshaya Tritiya price and the price locked by you. Both of them put together, you can choose the lower of the two as shown here to get a free silver coin. Next we have this free chocolates. You can have 5 chocolates for free on purchasing this eclairs pack of chocolates, and you have 40 rupees cashback by scanning the QR code which is on the pack, but it did not work for me, so I don't know how this 40 rupees cashback would be available. Next we have this free gift on Swiggy Instamart on orders above 99 rupees. You can go to Swiggy Instamart. Just wait for the sixer to be hit in IPL. Once the sixer is hit, your free gift is available on Swiggy Instamart. You can tap on Insta Sixes where the timer is on. Choose your free gift, and this free gift would be auto added to your cart on orders above 99. And this is how you can enjoy your snacks. These are yum, spicy, delicious. And now we'll see as how to get free gift, free silver coin. First you can add up with the 9 rupee deals on orders above 99 rupees. Okay, here you have a Kit Kat at rupee 9, or if you want to win a free Hong Kong trip, you can go for a Jim Jam biscuit packet at rupee 9. Now to win a free silver coin, you tap on price lock and tap on free silver coin as shown on the video and add to cart. The gold coins out here, you can choose any of this, just add them to cart at rupees 100, and on the day of Akshaya Tritiya you can pay the rest of the amount, but the rest of the amount or the Akshaya Tritiya gold price, whichever is lower, you got to pay. So once you pay and purchase the gold coin, you have a chance to get a free silver coin. Now to get a free gift, you can go to Insta Sixes, tap on it, choose your free gift. Make sure this gift would be available only when the sixer is hit in IPL. So once you choose your free gift, go to 50% off store, add all the products to the cart, whichever you are in need of, and go to cart and confirm your free gift. 9 rupee products and gold coin. Now you can go to coupons and apply the coupon. You have SBI, HDFC and lot more to get 150 or 200 off or 10% off on your order value, and do check out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.